Steam is the distribution platform we all love. At AWS, it's a world-class provider, stable, scalable, and the backbone of most modern apps. As online game developers, we want to protect our services and stay close to our community. But let's be honest, players hate creating new accounts. They don't want to leave Steam, and they definitely don't want to fill out registration forms. Unfortunately, Steam's native OAuth doesn't play perfectly with OpenID Connect out of the box. That's why we built the SteamAuth Bridge. It's a one-click setup that acts as the missing link between Steam's authentication and OpenID Connect. For this tutorial, we're also using the Steamworks API Blueprint from Baster Studio. Their one-function, one-node approach and excellent documentation perfectly match the philosophy of my AWS plugin series. Rather than reinventing the wheel, we've collaborated with their team to bring you a seamless, clean, and professional solution. A standard OpenID Connect flow usually forces a player to open a web browser and type in a username and password. To a player, that can look like a phishing attempt, and that kills trust. Our solution is different. We start by sending a restful request to the cognito authorize endpoint to get a state code. If the user has logged in via Steam before, Cognito returns the authorization code directly. Next, we use the getAuth ticket for Web API node and the getSteamID node from the Steamworks plugin. This allows us to retrieve the session ticket and the unique Steam ID directly from the local Steam client. We then bundle those with the state code and send them to the SteamAuth bridge in a single request. The bridge handles the heavy lifting. It verifies the ticket with Steam's Web API, communicates with the Cognito user pool, and manages the exchange of access, ID, and refresh tokens. If it's a first-time login, Cognito automatically creates the user with an external provider status. Finally, you get your Cognito auth code to exchange for tokens at the endpoint. Setting this up is simple. We'll use our standard CloudFormation template. The only extra step for Steam? Copy your Web API key and Steam App ID from your Steamworks dashboard and provide them as stack parameters. Once the stack is live, don't miss this step. Copy the EC2 instance IP address from the stack output and add it to your whitelisted IPs on the Steamworks Web API key management page. This ensures Steam only accepts authentication requests from your specific bridge. Let's see it in action. If the Steam client is running, the game logs the player in instantly. No browsers, no passwords, just a seamless transition into the game. We can see the new user in the dashboard, and their Steam avatar even loads directly into the UI. It even handles expired or deleted refresh tokens automatically. Check the link in the description to get started, or hop into our Discord if you run into any questions. I can't wait to see